Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the best smartphones under PKR 40,000 you can buy in 2024. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or need a reliable all-day phone, we've got something for everyone. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with excellent features, keep watching. Top 5 smartphones under PKR 40,000 2024. 1. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 4GB 128GB. 2. Samsung Galaxy A14 6GB 128GB. 3. Infinix Note 38GB 128GB. 4. Tecno Camon 28GB 128GB. 5. Realme C53 6GB 128GB. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 4GB 128GB. Price around about PKR 39,999. Key features: display 6.67-inch AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, camera 50MP plus 8MP ultra-wide plus 2MP ultra-wide plus 2MP macro, battery 5000 mAh with 33W fast charging. The Redmi Note 12 stands out with its AMOLED display and a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth and vibrant visuals. It's perfect for users who enjoy watching videos or playing games on their phone. The 50MP main camera delivers impressive shots in well-lit environments, making it a great all-around device for photography and media consumption. Samsung Galaxy A14 6GB 128GB. Price around PKR 39,500. Key features: display 6.6-inch PLS LCD, processor Exynos 850, camera 50MP main, 5MP ultra-wide, 2MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, battery 5000 mAh, 15W charging. Why choose it? Samsung's Galaxy A14 provides reliable performance and a clean UI with One UI Core, making it a great option for day-to-day usage. The 50MP camera performs well for this price range, delivering good detail and color accuracy in most lighting conditions. The only downside is its slower charging speed, but the large battery compensates with long-lasting power. Infinix Note 38GB 128GB. Price around PKR 39,999. Key features: display 6.78-inch IPS LCD, 120Hz refresh rate, processor MediaTek Helio G99, camera 64MP main, 2MP depth, 2MP depth, macro, battery 5000 mAh with 45W fast charging. Why choose it? The Infinix Note 30 offers one of the best charging experiences with 45W fast charging, allowing you to quickly recharge your phone. The 64MP camera excels in outdoor conditions, producing high-quality images. Paired with its 120Hz display, it's great for gamers or anyone who wants a smooth performance experience on a budget. Tecno Camon 28GB 128GB. Price around PKR 39,999. Key features: display 6.67-inch AMOLED, processor MediaTek Helio G85, camera 64MP main, 2MP depth, AI lens, battery 5000 mAh with 18W fast charging. Why choose it? Tecno Camon 20 is known for its superb camera performance, especially in well-lit environments. The 64MP sensor provides excellent details and clarity in photos. The AMOLED display makes watching videos a pleasant experience, and its decent battery life ensures it will last through a day of normal use. However, the Helio G85 chip may lag behind other devices in this price segment when it comes to gaming. Realme C53 6GB 128GB. Price around PKR 36,999. Key features: display 6.74-inch IPS LCD, 90Hz refresh rate, processor Unisoc T612, camera 50MP main, 2MP depth, battery 5000 mAh, 18W fast charging. Why choose it? Realme C53 delivers good performance for casual users and excels in daily tasks with the Unisoc T612 chipset. The 90Hz display adds smoothness to the user experience, making it a solid choice for people who want fluid performance without spending much. The 50MP camera does an admirable job in this price range, producing satisfactory images for social media sharing. Pros and cons of smartphones under PKR 40,000. Pros: affordability with decent features. These phones offer a balanced mix of performance, camera quality, and battery life at an affordable price. Diverse options: you can find phones tailored to different preferences, such as gaming, photography, or long-lasting battery life. Solid camera performance: many phones in this range have 50MP to 64MP cameras, making them suitable for casual photography. Long battery life: most phones offer 5000 mAh batteries, ensuring a full day of use without needing to recharge frequently. Cons: lower build quality. Many budget phones in this segment use plastic materials, making them less premium compared to higher-end models. Processor limitations: while good for everyday use, the processors in this price range may struggle with high-end gaming or intensive multitasking. Slower charging: on some models, some devices come with only 15W or 18W fast charging, which may feel slow compared to more expensive phones with faster charging capabilities. less software support, these phones may not get long-term software updates, meaning they could miss out on newer Android features in the future. Which phone is right for you? For gamers, Infinix Note 30 is the best option due to its 120Hz display and 45-watt fast charging. For camera enthusiasts, the Tecno Camon 20 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 are standout performers in terms of camera quality. For all-day battery, Samsung Galaxy A14 offers a balanced package with a reliable battery and a solid user interface. That wraps up today's video on the best smartphones under PKR 40,000. I hope you found the perfect phone to suit your needs. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more smartphone reviews and tech updates. Let me know in the comments which phone you're excited to try out. Until next time, happy shopping and stay tech savvy.